Our next word is botched.
You botched that spell where you wanted everyone to forget the Peter Parker Spider-Man.
Yeah, botched. Ooh. Yeah, okay, so this means that you did something badly. It went wrong. Maybe you intended for it to go well. You probably definitely intended for it to go well, but it did not. Maybe you did not have the skill to make it go well. Maybe as you were doing it, you realized, hey, this is a little bit harder or a little bit different than I thought it was going to be. So, ooh, I messed up. Yeah, you botched it. You botched it. Not good. I feel like there are two ways that I hear about this word, or I hear this word being used often. One is when we're talking about plastic surgery, like maybe someone got a nose job or a facelift, and it's like, ooh, that didn't go well. Yeah, they just like your nose is like crooked, or it's like over here now. It's just it didn't go well. There's a whole show about plastic surgery called Botched, where they just fix bad plastic surgery. So basically, if you get a nose job and your nose looks worse than it did before, it was botched. It maybe not on purpose, but whatever happened, it didn't go well. It did not turn out right. You look bad. Also, I hear this being used with criminals. So someone is like trying to commit a crime. Poor thing. They botch it. Maybe they're like trying to steal a car and I don't know, they can't get the car to start, or I've never stolen a car. I don't know how you incorrectly steal a car, but they incorrectly steal a car and they botch it. It goes wrong. Probably because you shouldn't steal things. Now this isn't like you take a test and you fail. You can't like botch the test. This is where you have set out to do something specific. You've set out to perform a specific task, and it's supposed to go like this. There's like a way that this goes, because there's like a way that you steal cars. You know, there's like an order to car theft, and you didn't do the things correctly. Like step 3, you did step 3 wrong, and you botched it. Same thing with surgery. There's a way that surgery is supposed to go, and you messed up on step 7. You botched it. It didn't go right. Did not go well at all. Nope. So you can also use this word when you're talking about home renovations or construction. So someone can definitely botch a home renovation, whether you're doing it yourself, like maybe you tiled your bathroom floor and it's crooked. If I tried to tile my bathroom floor, it would be crooked. I'm not good at those things. I would definitely botch it. So maybe I would say something like, yeah, I'm not going to do that myself. I am not going to redo my bathroom floor myself because I know that I will botch it. Because there's there's a process to it, to the way that this needs to be done. I know I can't do that process. I know I will botch it. I know I'm going to mess up. It's going to look bad. Things will go wrong. Now in construction, it could be the contractor really botched that job. The contractor really botched our roof. Ooh, that's not good. So it could really be anything that was supposed to be done in a specific way, and oops, yeah, did not happen. That didn't work out the way it was supposed to, and now it looks bad. It was botched.